Have you ever paused to consider how deeply connected you are to the world around you? Imagine a vast web where each thread vibrates with the actions of every living being, influencing the environment, and in turn, being influenced by it. This is the oneness of life and its environment. Every breath you take, every choice you make sends ripples across this intricate web. From the urban sprawl to the remote forests, our collective actions shape the Earth's climate, its ecosystems, and ultimately the health of every organism living on this planet. It's a profound connection that binds us all, transcending geographical and species boundaries. Ponder the delicate butterfly in the vast Amazon, whose gentle wing flaps send ripples through the air, weaving into the complex tapestry of weather patterns. These patterns, orchestrated by such minute movements, may later nourish fields far across the world. Now reflect on your choices to recycle, to conserve, to care. Each small decision stitches into the broader quilt of existence, reducing waste, curbing emissions, and shaping our shared future. These actions, seemingly trivial, are potent threads in the intricate web of life, illustrating the profound truth that everything is deeply interconnected, and every choice resonates through the cosmos. Our modern world thrives on innovation and productivity, often overlooking the silent whispers of nature. Yet, it is these whispers that remind us of the balance necessary for life's sustainability. When forests diminish, when oceans warm, they do not suffer alone. The effects cascade, touching lives, economies, and futures worldwide. It becomes clear then that to cherish our own life, we must also cherish our environment. The health of our planet directly correlates with our own well-being. Pollution, climate change, loss of biodiversity, all these environmental issues reflect back on us, influencing our health, our peace of mind, and even our spiritual well-being. In embracing the concept of oneness, we begin to see that our individual well-being is deeply entwined with the health of our environment. Acts of conservation and sustainability become acts of self-care. Planting a tree, conserving water, supporting sustainable businesses, these actions fortify the web of life, promoting a healthier planet and consequently, healthier individuals. In conclusion, understanding and acting upon the oneness of life and its environment is not just an ecological concern. It's a profound realization of our place in the world. It calls for a shift in perspective, from seeing ourselves as separate from nature to integral parts of a living, breathing planet. Every choice matters, every action counts, and in this interconnected dance of life we find our role not as dominators, but as stewards, caretakers of the earth that sustains us all. So as we move forward, may we tread thoughtfully, knowing that the health of our environment is the mirror of our future.